Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to share with you an update. This is the 65 Coupe from Factory 5 Racing. So this is the tribute car for the Shelby Daytona. It's been a little while since we updated a video. There wasn't a lot to really show you, but we've made a lot of progress in the last, I'd say, 2.5 weeks. So the body work has been progressing really well. You'll notice we have the whole front clip off. So we've got the one-piece front nose is off, and I'll share that with you as we go over to the other side here. So they had that fitting really well. We had all the doors fitting perfectly the way we wanted them. We have our door frame, we have our support piece for the rear quarter window is all installed quite well, and we're really happy with all of the fit on that. And then this is a high build primer, a gray high build primer, and then what you see with this black is what we call a dust coat. So basically when the guys and gal are doing the bodywork, the block sanding, this shows us any flaws or imperfections as we block out the body, and it becomes different grits of paper. So with the sandpaper, they basically started at 120 grit, and then they work their way up to smoother. So I think we're at 180 right now. So 180 grit, it was all blocked out. The body work and the imperfections just seem to get nicer and nicer as time goes on. They masked closed everything. We've got the hinges, the door openings, all of the edges have been done. All of these edges have been done. And then the back, if the camera person kind of comes around. Sorry, it's really terrible weather outside, and we're kind of jammed up in here right now, moving vehicles in, but you can see essentially everything on the body is progressing very, very well. So we're at 180 grit. The next step will be 240. They'll block all that out. There'll be a little, with the fiberglass, there's always a bunch of little tiny pinholes and stuff that will appear as they get with the finer and finer grit. We're going to go all the way to 600. And then once we have 600, then it'll be ready for the paint. So we'll be doing inside the door jambs and stuff first. And you can see here we have our doors. Same idea. They've been on the car, and then we basically go through all of the edges inside and out, and do all of the body work on it. So same thing. This is a guide coat, and then this is just been, I think 180 is next on the doors, if I'm not mistaken. I'll have to check my notes. So they finished it with 120, and then 180 is going to be the next for the doors, so they'll catch up to the body. And then as we come over here, we have the nice front nose, and it's sitting on a couple of dollies here right now. And once again, same idea. So they got the fit really well. All of the main flaws that they had from the actual press to mold, and the shape is really coming along quite nicely. And they finished this whole front with 120 also, so 180 grit will be next. So this is a great high build primer with guide coat, and then as they sand, I think what we'll do in the next installment, when all this is sanded down and they're ready for the next grit of 240, we'll probably share with you another video so you can really see the lines, because right now with the guide coat, this black guide coat that's on it, you kind of miss some of the body lines, but it'll really come up quite well once you see all of it in one color. So lots of progress. That's the 65 Coupe. I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.